Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Google Router step by step. Start by unboxing and connecting the router to your modem, then plug into power and wait for the LED to glow solid. Open the Google Home app on your phone and follow the on-screen prompts to add a new device. Create a Wi-Fi name and password, confirm firmware updates, and test connectivity on a laptop or phone. I'll guide you through the Google Home app in a relaxed, friendly way so setup feels simple. Open the app and tap Add, then Set Up Device, and follow the clear, step-by-step prompts. The app will detect your router and ask to connect. Confirm the code shown and name your network. Choose a strong password and allow any recommended firmware updates, then run a quick speed test to verify performance. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. I used an Echo Dot smart speaker to play setup tones, and it made testing easy and fun. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up if you like. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Here are easy optimizations and fixes to keep your network healthy and fast. Move the router to an open, central spot and avoid large metal objects or appliances nearby. Turn on automatic updates to ensure security patches and performance tweaks install when available. If you hit a snag, power cycle, the modem and router, retry the app connection, and consult the app diagnostics for specific error messages to resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.